Let us discuss about next problem, that is find the general solution for the trigonometric equation tan square theta plus secant 2 theta equals to 1. For this we need to identify general solution. Here you can see secant 2 theta, it is there. First of all, what is the formula for cos 2 theta? It is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. What will be secant 2 theta formula? It is 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta whenever denominator is not 0. I think it is very clear for you. Let us substitute in place of secant 2 theta this. So then it will be tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta should be equals to 1. So next, if you take LCM, it will be tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta. Now if you multiply tan square theta inside the bracket, it is tan square theta minus tan power 4 plus 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta. Now you can see minus tan power 4 here. If you transform these two terms towards left, it will be plus 3 times tan square. Why? Because this becomes plus in the left side. So here 3 times tan square theta it is there. So 1 gets cancelled equals to 0. Now it will be tan power 4 minus 3 tan square theta equals to 0. So if you take tan square theta common, it will be tan square theta minus 3 equals to 0. We got a into b equals to 0 form. Then either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. I think it is very clear for you. So now we have to simplify this. If tan square theta equals to 0, then tan theta should be equals to 0. This will happen whenever theta is multiple of 180, integral multiple of 180, n belongs to integer, or maybe this also. So tan square theta equals to, we can write 3 as tan square theta equals to tan square pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. It is root 3 whole square, means you will get 3. There will be no problem. I can write this equation like this. Then its general solution, we know it is theta equals to m pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is pi by 3. You have to learn about general solutions. Go to previous videos and revise. Here m belongs to integers. We got two solutions. One is this, or you can use this also. So these are the general solutions for the given trigonometric equation that you need to observe. So hence problem is solved once go through the solution. Next problem, solve 4 times sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta equals to 1. We need to solve this. We can do this as by converting this into a single trigonometric ratio. Let us try that. Let us try to convert this one into a single trigonometric ratio. Why? Because here two trigonometric ratios are present. Or let us try to factorize. That means converting this into a into b equals to 0. So let me try. If you proceed, anything will come, solution will come. So 4 times sin power 4 theta equals to, let us take cos power 4 theta towards right, 1 minus cos power 4 theta. Now we can write this as 4 times sin power 4 theta equals to, here we can write this as 1 square minus cos square whole square. Like this we can write, this is a square minus b square. 4 sin power 4 theta equals to, this is a square minus b square, that means a minus b into a plus b. I think it is very clear for you. Now I have applied here, you can observe that a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. Now it is 4 times sin power 4 theta equals to, it is 1 minus cos square theta, means we can write sin square theta. So here 1 plus cos square theta present here. We can try one thing, converting this into sin square means everything will be in sines. Or we can do one thing, let us take this entire expression which is present on right side towards left, it becomes 4 times sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta equals to 0. If you take sin square theta common, it will be 2 sin square theta, 2 times sin square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta should be equals to 0. I got a into b equals to 0 form, that means either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. Either sin square theta equals to 0 or 2 times sin square minus 1 minus cos square equals to 0. If sin square equals to 0, then clearly theta equals to n times pi, n belongs to integers. What about this? Let us try to convert sin square into cos square or cos square into sin square. Then it will be in a single trigonometric ratio. So let us try to convert cos square into sin square. It will be 2 times sin square minus 1 minus, here cos square means 1 minus sin square. Cos square means what? 1 minus sin square. Here I have taken sin square common, then it will be 4 times sin square. Here also 4 times, here also 4 times, that you need to observe. So why? Because I have just taken sin square common, so it becomes 4 times sin square. So here also 4 I need to write. So next it will be cos square means 1 minus sin square, that means minus also present here, so it becomes negative 1 plus sin square equals to 0. So in the next step what we can write, so here you can see it is 5 times sin square minus 2 equals to 0. 5 times sin square theta minus 2 equals to 0. That means sin square theta equals to 2 by 5. Sin square theta equals to 2 divided by 5. Then sin theta will be what? Root over 2 divided by 5. Let me write here. Sin square theta will be what? 2 divided by 5. We can write that as sin square theta equals to root over 2 divided by 5 whole square. Now you can see alpha is sin inverse. I said about this already. Sin inverse, what we can write? Root over 2 divided by 5. So this is alpha. Now what is the general solution for sin square theta equals to sin square alpha? It is nothing but m pi plus or minus alpha. Here alpha is sin inverse root over 2 by 5. That will be the general solution. M belongs to integers. Once go through the solution. I think it is very clear for you. Here also we got one general solution. So combining these two we will get complete solution. I think it is very clear for you. One is this, another one is this. Both will form general solution. I think